Alright, so tonight we're back on the laughing. Last night we go over the section there and we go deal with a little, we step on some murder of them because we don't like them. Especially one them with harm women and kids and older folks. Them boy they are chichi man them. Yeah man, fire upon them man. Who police shoot and kill the whole of them. Anyways, we're gonna laugh tonight. We're gonna watch a few funny videos and then I'm gonna read some comments which are sometimes even more funny than the video. Let's get into it.
The friends and the enjoyments when they get when they come round to back road.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have your food out, all of the unhappiness, all sorrows, all tears, all worries until they reach back.
Boy, yeah, definitely.
Let me run it again.
The friends and the enjoyments when they get when they come round to back road.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have your food out, all of the unhappiness, all sorrows, all tears, all worries until they reach back.
Boy, yeah, definitely.
Who remember when the JLP government wanted to tax prostitutes? Boy, Angela easy still, you know. Anyways, she's employed to back road in Jamaica. Let's see what the comment section has to say. As the advertisement or interview this. That's a good one. Back road is life. Huh? Somebody say watch HIV I give a lesson. Oh my God, that's funny. Somebody say be a pickpocket and thief there back road. You can't F in a piece. You know, say that person, that commenter is an experienced commenter. That commenter needs to go to Barakat school. So they're not picking pocket next time in go back road. Anyways, let's continue. Me can't get a promo code. What? Promo code? A discount you want on the front, brother? My gosh. Somebody comment a promotion this, I guess. And somebody say Rona Dubai. What that supposed to mean? Big up back road. Ray. Bow. Back road not safe. I don't know if he mean safe in terms of crime or people don't say right now yes or not safe as a joke. I don't know. Somebody say big up back road. Save me enough of my dirty food friend them. Listen, I'm gonna end the comment section for the back road video right there, so. Right this way done. Right this way. On to the next.
Tony.
Tony, out of slim girl and thick girl. Which one of them girl you rate the most?
Slim girl and thick girl. Slim girl.
Why slim girl?
Because them big and deep and deep and them can better.
Tony. Look like Tony is a regular customer of back road, Or him go a Barakat college where I be a strip club and go. Me go a go club, Barakat vice. Anyways, let's go in the comment section and see what they have to say about Tony. Tony Baloney. The boss say you're not telling a lie. Big up. What? So slim women vagina big? What? I only date slim women. I've never experienced that. Mine are you a problem Tony. Mine I carry small axe. Let's continue in the comment section. So I really choose a man them did attack. What? And I want woman that Brit. Me now call him resign name. That's wild. I can't stop laugh. Oh my gosh. Believe no man. What? Tony never tell a lie. What? Boy, Tony just dash it pand me without warning. No, man. Somebody else said, Tony a bad boy. That's why him dash it out, so. Somebody else said, I did not expect that answer. Neither did I. Oh, my God. Somebody said, Tony not lying. No lie was told here. What? Just as me, I say, me I go look a slim girl. Yo, Tony, respect. Have a beer for you. And I'll end it right there. This a brother say as soon as him a look at slim girl, Tony dropping news for him say slim girl vagina big. Ocean. Oh my gosh. Anyways, we come to the end of our next video. I hope you like the videos and I hope you like the comments. You know, so Jamaica is not a real place. Us Jamaicans, we are not real people, and only Jamaicans would comment stuff like these. So like the video, share the video, subscribe, click the notification bell, and help me grow the channel. Stay safe. God bless.